Here's the inspection report of Baden.
Summary video.
Summary video. There's some issues right here. Some dry rot needs to be addressed for the investigation, as well as right above it. There's also some issues. I would say about maybe 10 or so of these steps on either side is cracking, and the rebar is starting to show. On this side,
Needs a paint job.
as well as the other side.
I'll go down there and just point to
Definitely, as well the other side over here on this one.
Some cement issues at the
Cement
ground.
issues on the ground. Water is causing the concrete to have cracking and making it not as stable as it should be. Should have some epoxy water seal along the
So the
fire
cement is
escape.
feeding water to all the wood underneath here. All this
Yeah.
wood is starting to rot.
There's cracks on almost every single rectangle section that's letting water intrusion
Including
get
the
over
second
the deck,
floor, too, right?
including the second floor too. The railings are not they're not attached with the right cement. It's only using epoxy. Some of the railings are even missing the
All
epoxy.
the railings are loose,
So all the railings are loose. Will fail,
except for the stairs coming down the stairs.
except for the stairs coming down the stairs.
Right.
And it will fail a load test.
We've got the top also, water
Top.
getting in every
Both
cement
top
is
and bottom.
putting water into the. And there's another bad area down there, right? That has rot that you saw on the upper floor.
Yes, there's another area up
Yeah,
up here that has
they'll see it
rot.
on the long video, but you know what I'm saying? So you're just summarizing,
Yeah.
right? These feet look good, right? You already hit it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.